Redodo Power sent me out this battery charger and battery to test out in the camper. The charger is a 14.6 volt 20 amp charger for charging off your house power or shore power. The battery is a 12.8 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. Both the battery and the charger are clean designs and feel very sturdy and well made. Both the battery and the charger came with clean and easy to read directions. I'll be the first to admit I don't have a lot of experience with 12 volt systems or batteries, let alone lithium iron batteries. That being said, my first impression of this battery was it was lightweight and felt really well built.